What's going on, guys? Philly here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with Ben from CBoys. So if you don't know if you know what they are, but I guess you tell them what you do. What is CBoys?
So I'm Ben, I'm a C-Boy, and we basically just film our lives week to week, whether we're dirt biking, snowmobiling, going out on the boat, getting our truck built by Custom Offsets. Yeah, it's different every week, so it's pretty fun.
So they're here this week. We're building their trucks, so we figured we might as well get them on a couple episodes of our stuff. So this is another one from the gallery. We're going to rate your trucks on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so hot, 10 being super dope. So we're going to jump right into it. We got 10 of them picked out that Taylor selected. Don't know what's going on here. Jumping into it, 2005 Ford F-250, American Force wheels, 26 by 16s, freaking massive. Bigger even than the truck that we were just in. RBP tires, 37 by 13 and a half, and a 12-inch lift. So we'll just click through these.
It's clean.
It's a sweet gold.
It's clean.
finish.
I like it. It's a big tip. Dude, that's some stance.
Yeah.
That's some poke.
I like his plate. High roller. Clever. He's got a lot done. A lot done.
I like the gold. I'll give him that.
All right. So those are the photos. Think of a number in your head, 1 to 10. Got one?
Yep.
Got one? 3, 2, 1.
7.
7? Lower than I thought.
Yeah.
Why 7?
It's my favorite number. It was kind of my go-to.
It's my favorite number.
No, it's a good-looking truck. I'm not huge about that much poke and stance, but I like the gold.
Yeah, you guys are going a little more mild setup on your stuff because you guys are going to use your truck a lot more.
Yeah.
This is definitely a show vehicle. Gave it a 9 just because I think you could go with bigger tires. I'd like to see a little bigger tire on there. Other than that, I dig it. We'll move to the next one. Next one we got 2017 Ram 1500. Fuel cleavers, 22 by 14s. You see, everything we do is big and giant, so.
It's a big boy.
He's got a massive front bumper on there. Pro Comp suspension lift.
Dude, that thing could literally run over most cars on the road.
Yeah, probably. Wow, I should probably shut that off, huh? Okay. Blacked out headlights. He's got all these little spike things on the grill. A lot of small details on here.
Yo, those taillights are sick.
Those are pretty gnarly. All right. I think I've seen enough for a number.
Yep, got it.
3, 2, 1,
8.
7. You went higher than I did.
I did.
Yeah. I went with a 7 just because I saw that this one has the giant Ram letters across the tailgate.
Yeah.
And for some reason, I
You
just don't like that. No.
I don't like that. I like the front on this one. It's sitting like it's sitting like a Baja truck.
Yeah.
That looks mean.
Old school.
Ooh, throwing it back.
1990 Chevy K1500.
The
XT
beast.
Rockstars. Look at this thing. Minnesota plates.
Is that matte black?
Yeah. But is it a professional paint job or a spray paint can?
Yeah, I was wondering
One
that.
will never know. He's got like the headlights blacked out and everything too.
I like
this weird chrome like grill piece.
I like the look he's going for though with like the single cab.
Yeah. Single cad step side. You don't see a lot of these. And it's not like all rusted out. I mean, you guys have an equal problem as us with like rust. Like everything falls apart.
Minnesota based.
Yeah.
Snow doesn't love trucks.
No.
Trucks
All right.
don't love snow.
You got a number?
Yeah. Yeah.
You all right there?
I'm good.
3, 2, 1,
7.
4.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I like it.
I don't know. The old school stuff, this one doesn't cut it for me.
But it's different. That's
Yeah,
what I like about it.
It is different.
Like if you saw that rolling down the road, you'd be like, that's different and sick.
Yeah. I don't know. There's just something about like the K1500s that remind me of the high school parking lot.
Dude, it's the beast though.
This one I've actually seen before. So this is an 06 Silverado 2500, but it's lowered, 3 and 5 drop. So front's 3 inches, rear's 5 inches, so it's pretty level. Nice photos, which we usually don't see too many professional pictures up in here.
They got that going. What's that say?
Douchebag.
Fitting.
I like it. Dirty girl.
Dirty girl.
Yeah.
Look at that stack.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go back to that. Yeah. Gnarly. And that's all that needs to be said about that. Toyo Proxy, so he's got street tires. I would just guess, based on the amount of like hydro dipping and paint work going on underneath the hood, perhaps he's got some sort of motor work done. We can scroll down and see if there's any details. Nope. We'll never know. It's 2-wheel drive though. Just kind of went for this like street truck, fast look kind of look, but it's still a crew cab.
So are they calling it a dirty girl or are they saying that they like dirty girls?
I don't know. We'd have to ask.
I said something.
His username is DirtyGirl66.
Okay, so they're calling
Dirty
it
Girl Fabrication. That's his business.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Okay.
You got a number?
Yep.
It'll be interesting because I've already rated this one. If I pick the same number as I did last time, I don't know what I picked though.
Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1,
3.
6. 3.
Yeah.
Wow, pretty low.
Yeah. I don't like lower trucks.
I can get down with lower trucks. This one just, I'd probably take the Dirty Girl off the back of the tailgate there. That would maybe clean it up a little bit. And the stack. I don't know about that.
I'm not sure if I'd go lime green. I think lime green should be reserved for like Lambos.
Porsche GT3 RSs.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, this actually is like very similar to the Porsche color. 2016 Ram 2500, American Forces, on some 38-inch Furies and an 8-inch McGoy suspension lift. Big old roof basket up top.
Mega cab.
Yeah,
That's a big boy.
friggin' huge. Nice. You got a monkey in his grill.
I'm not sure if I'm liking the blue.
Because he's got red in the grill,
Yeah.
blue in the bumper,
I like the monkey though,
blue in the back.
because they're rocking monkey in the back too.
What does that mean?
What does that
I
mean?
don't know. Man, he's got too many modifications to the list. All right. All right. 3, 2, 1,
5.
5.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went with 7. I actually probably could go lower. Probably go 6. Just with the combination of, so he's got a gray truck,
Yep.
polished wheels,
Yep.
red suspension,
Yep.
and red grill, and
Yep.
then blue inserts.
Yep.
You got to pick a theme, my guy. You got to pick a theme.
It just doesn't match. Just doesn't match, man.
But like sick wheels.
It looks dope. It just doesn't match.
And he's got his toe meter slipped up. Bonus points for that.
Always pulling.
2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty, specialty Ford, top of the line, 26x16s, Furies again because they're like the only guys that make tires. It's got some sort of like sick camo wrap.
Camo wrap. You know we got a weakness for camo wraps. Woo! Woo!
Darn, we only got 2 photos to go off of.
Dude, that thing. How big do you think that is? Is that bigger than?
Yeah, way bigger.
Like how much bigger?
So it's twice as tall. Yeah, twice as tall.
Does it have drop downs? Or they're just like,
can't
no,
tell.
you're just not getting in if you,
gotta
can't
bring
hop
you
in.
gotta bring a step ladder.
Literally.
All right, I got a number for this.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
9.
9.5. Through the half.
And a half.
You can't copy me.
I meant
So
9.5.
this guy, he's got more than one color going on, but it's okay because it's camo.
Yeah.
And he like throws the teal in there, which teal with gray just always looks good.
It looks sharp.
I can get down with that. And he's
Yeah.
got a breast cancer ribbon on the front, so cool to see some support there. I don't know. Overall, just really like clean looking, which you can't always do with camo.
Yep. As we know.
This is a good friend of ours.
Really?
Josh Beecham. Yep. 05 Ford Excursion, 30x16 American Forces.
Dude, you don't see many of these.
No, you don't. I actually used to own one of these. So, and he took, this is a 2005, obviously, but he's got like a 2017 and up front end on it. So it like looks way newer. I really dig this thing. Mason Poston actually used to work for us. He took all these photos, super dope photos. Just looks absolutely massive.
That looks unreal.
I believe this is a 24-inch lift. Let me see.
24-inch lift?
Yeah, it's something like that.
What?
It's huge. Yeah, 24 inches.
On what?
30x16s and 42-inch tires.
Ooh.
And he's got the whole interior done too. Like full custom sound system. He's got coilovers. This is the sub wall. Like this thing's done.
What is that, like 810s?
I don't know. I didn't even know the Excursion's big. Those
Okay,
might
so
even
he's
be
got
12.
so he's got some time into
Yeah.
the interior and exterior.
He took years to
Bonus
build this
points.
thing. And clean photos. And just look at those wheels. I could never have polished wheels because I wouldn't take the time to clean them.
Do you have to polish them like every? So I was talking to the boys about this the other day, yesterday actually.
Yeah.
How much work do you have to go through to clean your wheels for how long they're clean?
Like
How worth it is it?
Black wheels or chrome wheels, not a big deal. Like you can spray them down, clean them up. We actually sell our own like shine products, and you can like put some wax on there, and they're good to go.
Yeah.
But polished wheels, like if you want them to look brand new, mirror-like finish, like they do in these pictures,
Yeah.
like you actually have to like take them off, sit there with a polisher, and like go at it.
Every time?
And it takes a while, yeah, and it doesn't last that long because this is like the raw material that's exposed, which is how you get to look like this, but it's a lot of work.
Dude, they're meant to be just pavement princesses. Though.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, number?
Got it.
3, 2, 1.
9.5.
Had to go 10.
It's about as close to a 10 as I can go.
You're one of those people that like nothing can be perfect, so you're gonna rate it 9.5.
Dude, I mean, probably, yeah.
This is a little more of an off-road setup, 06 Ram 2500. It's still 20-inch wheels, but he's got 40 by 15.5-inch Nitto mud grapplers, which is the most aggressive tire Nitto makes, and an 8-inch TGC lift. Yeah, this thing looks like you could screw some stuff up.
Dude, that thing's probably really loud going down the road.
These tires
Not
are
that
so
I don't think
loud.
anybody cares about that when they
So
go
loud.
that far with a truck, but like the hum is real.
Yeah. I dig these headlights too. He's got like the LED like running light strip. He's got a light bar behind the grill, aftermarket grill, aftermarket bumper, more than just wheels and tires. Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
3, 2, 1, 6.
Yeah,
I just don't like
agree
this
there.
body style of the Dodges.
Yeah, I don't know.
The front ends just like don't do it for me. They're like not aggressive enough to match the rest of what he's got going on in the build. Still sweet, like he's got a lot done to this thing and looks cool.
The blackout
Just
looks sick.
not for me.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel that.
2019 Chevy Silverado 3500. Fuel Vortex 20 by 10s and 35 12.5s. So this is actually going to be similar to like what yours is going to look like as
What
far
are they
as
on?
wheel fitment.
What are they on
So
for
they
lift?
got 10 wides. It says super lift. Let's see what size though. This is 6-inch, so slightly bigger.
Wow.
But 10 inches wide wheels, middle ridge grapplers.
That looks really good. I hope ours looks like that.
From New
I
York.
really like that.
I don't know what's going on with this, like, oh, it's the Alaskan edition? I don't know if that's a real thing. He's got like a bear claw
That's
on
sick.
the front, Fox shocks.
So that has drop downs?
Yes,
looks like it.
Looks like it.
Are we getting drop downs? We should get drop downs.
Your truck's not that big. You got anything out of that one, fine. You'll get in this one.
Yeah,
It'll
good
be okay.
point.
All right, you got a number for it?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
8.5.
Yeah, one with 8, just because like good usable truck, not overly giant.
Yep.
Just would probably pull the decals off.
I'm not huge about the decals or the chrome with the black wheels,
Yeah, that's a good point too.
but it looks good. It looks really good.
Color matched or black might look better in front of that. I'm just confused how it's a Alaskan edition pickup truck, but it's got New York plates.
Yeah, I've never heard of that.
Whatever. If you guys want your vehicle featured on an episode of From the Gallery, add your truck at customoffsets.com/ad. If you don't know what the gallery is, that's how you figure out what exactly fits your truck. You punch in your make model. That's the sales pitch. That's the end of the video. Thanks for coming out, Ben, and hanging out on the couch. Peace.